Now today's video is brought to you in partnership with MANSCAPED.com, the global men's lifestyle brand that revolutionized the landscape of men's grooming, especially below the belt. Today I'm excited to share with you a sponsored review of the latest development of their flagship product, the Mower 5.0 Ultra in White Hot. Now I've been partnering with and using Manscaped products for over 6 years. And when they came along, they were godsend for me and a lot of other guys. If you're anything like me, manscaping, especially for the groin area, has been a journey of trial and error. And you don't want a lot of error when you're shaving down there. A lot of us have some not too pretty stories, including myself. I can remember back in the day when I was dating this young lady and she volunteered to help me with some manscaping. I agreed and she pulled out the scissors. First mistake. I'm sitting back and relaxing, and simultaneously, I feel some sharp pain, and I hear her say, oops. You never want to have a combination of pain and oops when it comes to your balls. Needless to say, there was a bunch of bleeding, and from then on, I had to be extra cautious when it came to below the belt grooming. That's why, to me and a lot of other guys, the lawnmower has been a godsend, because it enables you to do a great job of grooming below the belt with much more security and less issues. This white hot version of the Mower 5.0 Ultra is a limited quantity edition of the best below the belt groomer on the market. Now I need to emphasize to you that this one comes in limited quantity, so if you love what you see, you better grab it right away. Now the Mower 5.0 Ultra in white hot comes in the same elite packaging you expect from Manscaped, but instead of the usual black, it comes in this great striking white. I really love the gold detailing of the wording when you open up the box. Nice touch. And as always, the first thing you notice when you grab your Mower 5.0 Ultra is the sleek, modern design. Now, Manscaped really paid great attention to aesthetics and ergonomics when developing this trimmer that not only performs well, but looks great. It comes with a rubberized grip that makes it easy to handle and hold even when wet. Ergonomic design makes it very comfortable to maneuver. And what I love about the Mower 5.0 and all the Manscaped products, sturdy feel that suggests durability. And the Mower 5.0 Ultra is designed to withstand daily use. And it has water-resistant construction that allows you to use it dry and wet. And the lawnmower's ability to be used wet allows for easier, breezier cleanup. Now, of course, with any trimmer and the Mower 5.0 Ultra being no different, the most critical component is its blades. The Mower 5.0 Ultra doesn't disappoint with its ceramic blades made with Manscaped's skin-safe technology. With the skin-safe technologies, these ceramic blades get the job done, but they're sensitive to your skin. Very important with below-the-belt grooming. This technology helps minimize nicks and cuts, which is very important when you're grooming sensitive areas. And the Mower 5.0 Ultra blades are updated. Longer, wider, and rounder teeth, which helps give you a smooth, precise trim. And of course, the Mower 5.0 Ultra comes with bars that are both adjustable, allowing you to trim groin and body hair to the exact length you want. But I also love the dual blade technology, which allows you to switch between two blades. Now, of course, you have the standard trimmer, which allows you to get to the longer hairs, but then you can pop that out and switch in the foil blade, which allows you to get close. I'm talking about skin close. That's right, you get two blades for the price of one, making the Mower 5.0 Ultra the most precise below-the-belt groomer you can get. And Manscaped has improved upon one of the key components to me when it comes to the lawnmower. That's the light that helps you see what you're doing when grooming below the belt. You can cycle through the light to get the precise temperature you want to use, which makes the Mower 5.0 Ultra work on different skin tones. And the light also has a memory function. Now, after you dial it in, it remains there, even when you turn it off and on. And another great feature of the lawnmower is the travel lock. This ensures that your trimmer doesn't come on while it's packed away for travel, saving you battery life. And speaking of battery, that's where the lawnmower shines as well. It now comes with a power adapter and a USB-C charging cable that holds a charge for 60 minutes. This USB-C charger allows for faster charging and greater convenience. And yes, the Mower 5.0 Ultra still has the battery life indicator to let you know the amount of charge you have left. So when it comes to industry-leading combination of powerful performance, thoughtful design, and advanced features, nothing beats Manscaped's Mower 5.0 Ultra, the ultimate in groin and body hair trimmers. Now, not only do Manscaped sponsors today's video, of course I got a special offer for the Stylo-G family. For a limited time and limited quantity, when you hit that link in the description or go to manscaped.com/thestylo-G and use my discount code STYLO-G, you'll get 20% off plus free shipping. So make sure you act quickly to grab yourself one of the limited quantity Mower 5.0 Ultra in the latest colorway white hot. Once again, I want to thank Manscaped for being a long-term partner of the Stylogy channel. Help support my efforts in bringing you the best men's lifestyle information when it comes to grooming, dating, and style.